Dear 6th class students, very good morning. This is M. Shekhar sir. Today our lesson chapter number 5. So right here date 21/12/2020 fractions and decimal. So textbook page number 57. Okay. Already 4th unit over. It means 4th unit over. That means integers is over. Next come to fractions and decimal. So here fractions is a one lesson and decimals is another lesson. It is two lessons, but here given only one lesson. No problem. I will there. You will here. No problem. So I will explain what is fraction. So we have to discuss entire about fractions after go to decimal. Okay, మనం ఫ్రాక్షన్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్న తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ డెసిమల్కి వెళ్దాం. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్? వాట్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్? See here. A fraction is a number representing is a part of the whole. The whole may be a single object or grouped object. So we have to write side heading fraction. Okay, write this definition for fraction. A fraction is a number representing a part of the whole. That whole may be a single object or grouped object. Here whole means a biggest object. Okay, I will say some example. So suppose here one cake is there, a birthday cake or any function cake is there. We have to cut this one is 2 pieces equal, next 3 pieces equal, next here again 2, here again 2. So now once count how many pieces are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here cut the cake in 8 pieces, total 8 pieces. Now you want one piece, నీకు ఒక పీస్ కావాలి, ముక్క కావాలి. Now take here one piece, this one piece. So how many total remaining pieces, how many are there? 8. Now we want how many pieces? 1 pieces. ఒకటి తీసేసుకుంటే దాన్ని ఎలా రాస్తా అంటే 1/8. సార్ నాకు 3 కావాలి, నాకు 3, I need 3 pieces means, so we need how many pieces? 3 by total pieces 8. So it is a fraction. Here 8 means entire cake here. So it is a one cake. That's why here a given a single object or grouped object. ఇలాంటి కేకులు ఎన్ని ఉండదు, 100 కేకులు ఉన్నాయి, అందులో నాకు ఒక కేక్ కావాలంటే 1/100 ఈ విధంగా. ఓకే, ఈ విధంగా రాయాలి. సో హియర్ హోల్ మీన్స్ entire value, it means biggest value. So I don't know sir this one definition sir, I forgot sir, I'm reading time. Okay, no problem, I will give another definition for fraction. Okay, if any number in the form of, I will write here, any number is the form of p by q, q not equal to 0, comma p comma q are whole numbers. Simple. ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా తీసుకోండి, వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఎనీ నెంబర్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. జస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఓన్లీ whole numbers, don't take negative numbers. So any number is the form of p by q. What is here pq? Just it is a pq or whole number. So whole number, p is a one whole number, q is a another one number. Q not equal 0, don't take. Now see here one example, 2 by something, here 5 is there, here p is 2, q is 5. Don't take here 0, it means 2/0, it is undefined concept. Okay, so here any number is the form of p by q, q not equal 0, pq are whole number. Any number is the form of p by q, pq are whole number, it is called a fraction. Simple. So another one is a note. After write this definition, we have to write this one example and this one example. Don't write this one example cake about, we have to take two numbers, 3/8, 2/8. Okay, I will write here examples, 2/8, 3/5, 6/3, not 6/13, and so on. 2/8. For this one is a fraction example, 2/8, this one 3/5, and 6/13, and so on. Okay, leave it, no problem. Sir, I have wondered what is here 2, what is here 5. already told number of times. I told number of times. P, Q are integers. Here 2 is a not integer. So P, Q are whole number. 2 is a whole number. 5 is a whole number. Sorry, another name is there. This integer, this whole number. Okay, is there. So here upside number it is a numerator. Now they here numerator. So upside number is a numerator, downside number is a denominator. Okay, one see example 3 by 5. See this one example here 3 by 5. 3 is called here upside number here. 3 is called numerator and 5 is called, and it means downward number denominator. It is a numerator, it is a denominator. Please keep after the fraction after example note. Write one example 3 by 5. 3 is a numerator, 5 is a denominator. Or 2 by 5. 2 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. Okay, simple. Okay, leave it. Very important. A fraction, any number is the form of P by Q, Q not equal 0. Don't read this one, Q not equal 0, no problem. Any number is the form of P by Q, P comma Q are whole numbers is called a fraction. For example, 2 by 8, 3 by 5, 6 by 13 and so on. So take one example. After this one we keep note NOTE 3 by 5. So 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. 3 is a numerator, 5 is a denominator. Enough. Next we keep after this one types of fractions. So first fraction definition and example after note. After we have to write types of fractions. So I will say number of fractions are there in some IIT books. I will say simply. Now see here. Okay, see here types of fractions. First one we need. First one I will explain one by one how many types are there. I will see here and you also see here. Now see here, first we need here unit fraction. Types of fraction, first one unit fraction, second one like fraction, third one unlike fraction, fourth one proper fraction, fifth one improper fraction, sixth one mixed fraction, and seventh one equivalent fraction, eighth one decimal fraction, ninth one vulgar fraction, and just wait, last one complex fraction. So how many types are there? 10 types. Sir, in your textbook only some are there. One see here, proper fraction is there, improper fraction is there, thereafter mixed fraction, equivalent fraction. This only sir, only 5 and 6 are there, but in that book 10 definitions is there. Okay, no problem, I will say all definitions for you. So this is first video, and one see here, first write, keep first fifth lesson heading and write date in the below. So after write fraction fraction side heading, write definition for fraction. This one is example. After this example we write note NOTE. Just we have to write 3 by 5. Here 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. After this one please keep types of fractions. Types of fractions I will say one by one. Okay, first write this one notes in the notebook with clearly. Don't write arbitrary writing. Okay, thank you. Okay, dear 6th class student, this is second video. So after write fraction example note, we have to keep here types of fractions. Types of fraction ante fractions lo rakalu. Okay, now see here, first one as it is we have to write in notebook. Unit fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, equivalent fraction, decimal fraction, vulgar fraction, complex fraction. So this 10 type are there. So in your notes we have to write 1 to 10 side headings. Okay, write as it is. Okay, type we keep here types of fractions, and one by we have to write one by one. Okay, unit fraction, like fraction, unlike mixed, proper, improper, equivalent, decimal, vulgar and complex fraction. After we have to write this 10th one. Next we have to keep here first one side heading again. What about here unit fraction? I will say unit fraction అని ఇవన్నీ రాసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 1 by 1 ఫస్ట్ రాయాలి. సో యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ గురించి నేను డెఫినేషన్ చెప్తా. సో కీప్ హియర్ యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 10th one. సో ఐ విల్ యూ విల్ రైట్ హియర్. వాట్ అబౌట్ యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్? జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ సే నౌ సీ హియర్. Where is that one? Okay. Now see here. Unit fraction. A fraction which have 1 as a numerator are called unit fraction. యూనిట్ అంటున్నాను 1 అని, సింగిల్. యూనిట్ మీన్స్ సింగిల్ ఆర్ 1. యూనిట్ అంటే మనకి ఒకటి, అందుకని యూనిట్ టెస్ట్ 1, యూనిట్ టెస్ట్ 2 అంటాం కదా, సింగిల్గా. యూనిట్ అంటే 1 అని. సో ఏ ఫ్రాక్షన్ తీసుకున్నా సరే దానికి న్యూమరేటర్ అనేది 1 ఉంటే, అంటే పైన ఉన్న నెంబర్ కింద ఉన్నదని డినామినేటర్, న్యూమరేటర్ 1 ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటాం. నౌ సీ హియర్ వన్స్. ఫ్రాక్షన్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ 1 as a numerator are called a unit fraction. Now see, illustration means example. Right here example. It is unit fraction definition. After write example and write here up to here. Don't write this one. Example write here. Illustration means example. Write this thing one. Now see here 4, 3, 7. It means here this 3 means denominator. 1, 1, 1 it means numerator. It is a unit fraction because unit means 1. Now see another one example. 4 by 5, 4 by 11, 4 by 13, 4 by 23 not యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. సార్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒకే నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా అంటారు. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒకటే నెంబర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒకే నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా అంటారు. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒకే నెంబర్ ఉంది, ఆ ఒకే నెంబర్ కూడా ఒకటే అవ్వాలి, 1 అవ్వాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒకటి నెంబరే ఉంది, 4 ఒకటే ఉంది, కానీ అది 1 అవ్వట్లేదు కదా. సో ఇది నాట్ ఏ యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. అంటే న్యూమరేటర్లో ఒకే నెంబర్లు ఉండాలి, ఆ నెంబర్లు మొత్తం ఒకటే అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? ఒకటంటే అది కూడా దాని వాల్యూ కూడా 1 అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. సో ప్లీజ్ keep here side heading. It means unit fraction and write this definition. After write this one example 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 7 and so on etc. Next write example 2. 4 by 5, 4 by 11, 4 by 13, 4 by 23 not a unit fractions because here all numerators are same value but it is not a equal to 1. అది 1కి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ వన్? లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఆఫ్టర్ యూనిట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ we keep side heading like fraction. Okay, like fraction definition. Now see here, like fraction definition is there. So మీరు అలాగే పెట్టి దాని కింద అదే విధంగా డెఫినేషన్ రాయండి. లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ విత్ ద సేమ్ డినామినేటర్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ మోర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ బట్ take numerator is different. We have to take denominator is both denominators all are same. అన్న న్యూమరేటర్ ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు, డినామినేటర్లో అన్నీ సేమ్గా ఉంటాయి. 7 7 7 కానీ 9 9 9 కానీ 13 13 13 కానీ 20 20 20 ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా సరే డినామినేటర్ మొత్తం సేమ్గా ఉండాలి. ఇలాగుంటే మనం ఏమంటామంటే లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ డినామినేటర్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్ వాల్యూస్. Don't write a illustration, it means example. Okay, keep side heading example, write these 3 ones and so on etc. Don't write this one. Okay na? Unit fraction means all numerators are 1. Like fractions means all denominators are same value, not a 1, same value. Okay, next unlike fractions with different denominators. Here same denominator means like fractions. Now here different denominator means unlike fractions. So here same values are the denominator, it is belongs to like fraction. Here denominator is different. 4 3 is there, it is different or same? It is different. So here 1 by 4, 2 by 3 and 7 by 11, 23 by 100. These all denominators are different are like that is there. So this fractions is called unlike fraction. So today types of fractions, 4 is completed, not 4, 3 completed. First one is unit fraction, second one is like fraction, third one is unlike fraction. So we have to write these 3 ones with the example. So after fourth one is there mixed fraction. So here 4 to 10 fractions is there. I will say tomorrow class, it means next video. Okay, thank you.